ሰላም ከመይ ትኾኑ ከመይ ኣለኹም alright ወግብረ መልሲ ልክዕ ብኢራን ትካየድ ኣላ ኣሕዋት እቲ ግብረ መልሲ እንታይ እዩ ዝመስል ዘሎ ላይክ ብዙሕ ዝኾነ መሳይል ካብ ኢራን ብጣዕሚ ናብ እስራኤል ፍላይ ይገብር ኣሎ ብዙሕ ይመክን ኣሎ እንታይ ይመስል ናብ ኢና ላይፍ ክንርኢ ኣሕዋት ብትክክል ኣቀዲመ ክዛረብ ኣሕዋት ትማሊ እዚ ምስ ኢኮኖሚ ምስ ካልእ ስለተኣሰር ጥራሕ ንሓበሻ ኤዱኬሽን ንሕልፎ ዘለና ገሊኩም ናይ ጋዜጠኛ መግለፂ ትደልዩ ኣለኹም well I'm sorry we are not ጋዜጠኛ ኮናን ንሕና ፋይናንስ and ኢኮኖሚ ተማሃርና ወይ እውን ንሱ ኢና እንታይ ይመስል ቁጠባ ነቲ ስታክ ማርኬት ኣብዚ ስለ ዝፀልዎ ዘሎ ምሱ ሓፍ up and down ንርኢ ስለ ዘለና ኢና ንሕልፎ ዘለና thank you so much እዚ ክትርድኡልና ንላቦ ሕራይ ናበይ እዩ እንታይ እዩ ዝብል ሕቶ mostly نابتي لايف كن كيد نحوات اوكي must programmed life like كجي اتانوس اقطع وصلتنا حكون تايم مسل نرايو
in Israel's air defenses and then rinse and repeat as many times as they can.
Targeted by Iran.
Great insight right there. Let's viewers right now. IDF putting this out, showing civilians currently being targeted, and you can see that wide map right there. And you know, we should also note that just to put in perspective, I mean, Israel is the size of New Jersey, and continuing to get these types of strikes, it is going to be a moment here that we continue to hope for the very best and wait to see what is going to happen next. Obviously, we don't have that crystal ball here, but it was interesting, I thought, yesterday in the daytime, about 12 hours before the strikes to Iran, President Trump was asked in a news conference setting if he thought that strikes from Israel to Iran were imminent, and he agreed, and he said yes. So I thought that was really, really interesting. About 12 hours before those strikes, and then we heard from Iran yesterday, who said, and from the intelligence being put out there, that they were caught off guard.
Yes, I think we all were. I think from the Iranian perspective, again, they had gotten so used to basically feeling invincible, especially when they had the United States at the negotiating table. They know as long as the United States was talking, there would be no military threat. That was certainly the case under Obama and under Biden. And until a few days ago, it looked like it was going to be the case under Trump as well. I think now the big question is, was Trump using that threat as leverage to try to convince Iran that, hey, yesterday is the 60-day deadline I gave you to agree to it.
لعلي سلسة جزء يكون صفار تسرير له يا لسي نرأيو انتاي يوز مثل عبيتك علو كم تبرنا بزح حسيا أزيزي أوريدو إلكا توسنا يكونن كم زح بروز الله yeah yep let's see that 5 minutes ago in time is like what
יש שם, זה לא נפילות?
נפילות, אבא, זה נפילות. אבא, תרד, אבא, תרד.
Okay, this is more متقعت زكاير زلو red alert look this حوات I don't know I'm not familiar but زلو زي متقعتات زلو ناي إسرائيل ثم بسرعة تنو بتفلطوا تخونوا عندي متقعت زكاير زلو area السؤال look my goodness this is big أحوات like this like all missiles drones بلك عب لعلي قاليو زباخن زلو look this wow my goodness so insane for the showing that intercepted airline over Tel Aviv well intercepted
yo wow yo wow
Yo. Yeah.
ای دوربینم نمیگیره. برو بزن، تو را به ابوالفضل میخوام بزنی یا
I think so لك ساعات كبابي ساعات 10 له بإسرائيل. Let me see. Multiple ballistic missiles is impacted in central Israel. Like, which is central Israel? My goodness. Look this out. Whoa. What's the missile?
ما این شرایط تسعید رو
Meltim. Meltim.
Yeah. رأيوتي missile launch قبل زلو ويكا هذا علبة زلو. Look this. All areas. Wow. Been detected in Iran. Residents across Israel are told to get the shelters immediately. Okay. Yeah. معك أبي سبكات. Okay. Press conference. Don't say any. Let's back to the beginning. أحوات updated هجت لنا نرى. Still هجت صد لوديم. All right. 4 minutes ago, worry of the people posting a footage from the Iran ballistic missile attacks in 2024. Okay. Reported at least 7 different impacts in around Tel Aviv. Oh wow. Central show at the bottom. Look this. My goodness. Wow. This is like all this. My goodness. So missile landed ከባቢ ሸውዓተ ይኹን missile ኣብ መሬት ከም ዝዓለበ and causing damage to the headquarter of the Israel Defense Force. Oh my god ነቲ ናይ ወተሃደራዊ ኦፊስ ከዓ ቤት ፅሕፈት ከም ዝሃረመ እዩ ዝሕብር ዘሎ ብዚ ሕዋት ኣብ ተል ኣቢብ ኣብ እስራኤል central Israel. I guess I don't know the data building like this. Yeah, according to the source was something hell. Okay, 9 minutes. Okay. All right, let's see what they said. All right, what life is saying it.
Now, we appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
You take care. All right, everyone. Let's go back out to more of these images that we are seeing from Israel and just waiting to see more updates here on Live Now from Fox. Let's listen in if we can hear any of the surrounding noises or maybe even sirens that could be going off.
Maybe I don't know. But again, to it in the heart.
Right. Again, everyone, you are watching here live now from Fox. Our coverage continues. Breaking news. We are going on a new hour here in just moments. I'm your host, Mike Page, continuing to be with you during the latest strikes from Iran to Israel. And we are bringing you this coverage in real time. Again, live, raw, and unfiltered. Coming up now, just moments, 3 p.m. Eastern, 12 o'clock out on the West Coast. We should also note that in just moments, the UN Security Council emergency meeting is going to be taking place out in New York City. We will take you there when it does get going. But next up, I do want to bring in our next guest here. Bring us.
USA emergency meeting يقبلوا. So let's see what happened. Okay. Look حوات بزح كابت مسائل بزح نجار يو okay. كم تقدم هجز قبلوا نورو. Okay. Iran began counter strikes. Iran has fired hundreds of ballistic missiles toward Israel, according to the state media. And then the Israel military said it's identified that incoming missiles launched from Iran, and CNN has heard explosion in Tel Aviv. ብዙሓት መሳይል ከባቢ ካብቶም ሶፋር ክሳብ ዘለና 7 መሳይል ኸውን ኣብቲ ቤት ጽሕፈት ናይ ከም ዝዓለበ ርኢና ኢና ማለት እዩ ኦኬ Israel attacks launch on president okay targeting nuclear programs okay and military leaders is attacks ወያ እስራኤል ትማሊ ዝገበረቶ ብዙሕ ሚሊታሪ ወታደራት ብዙሓት ከም ዝሞቱ አፕዴት ኣለና ክንነግረኩም ንሓዋት then ነቲ ናይ nuclear facility ን ፕሮግራሙን ንዕኡ ብዙሕ ነገር ከም ዝገበሩ ኣብኡ ተዓዊቶም እዮም so far ወላ ትራምፕ ውን ብዙሕ ከም ተዓወቱ ገሊጽ እዩ ትራምፕ warns ኢራን ትራምፕ again ኢራን ሱሳ መዓልቲ አንተ ቦምብ ነረ ሱሳ መዓልቲ ዕድል ሂቦ እምነት ነግሸሽን ክገብሩ ነቲ ናይ nuclear ንኽሒዙ ኦኬ ድሕሩ ግን so far ኣምበል ሱሳ መዓልቲ ስለ ዝሓለፈ I guess ትራምፕ ይፈልጥ ነይሩ መጥቃዕቲ ከም ዝካየድ ነዚ ብእስራኤል ማለት እዩ so ብዙሓት ውን damage ከም ተፈጥረ ይዝሕብር ዘሎ still ህጅ ትራምፕ ከ open ከም ዘሎ አንተ ውን ደውሎም ሉ መጀመሪያ ግዜ ከም ደውሉ ይሓቢሩና ነይሩ ኦኬ ደውሎም ኦኬ ነዚ ነገር ክረጋጋ ምኻኒ እና ንፈልጥ ግን ኩለን በዓራሻ ከይተረፈ ያ ነገራት እዚ ክረጋጋ ኣሎ ናይ ራሻ ከይተረፈ ፌስቡክ ፖስት ገይረ ነይሩ ሕዋት so still ግን እቲ ነገር በቃ ይቅጽል ኣሎ ምክንያቱ ኢራን ናይ ግድን ግብረ መልሲ ክትመልስ ስለ ዘለዋ ግብረ መልሲ ትገብር ኣላ ህጂ so far update ተሊና ክንመጽኢና ሕዋት ግን I didn't see it right now ግን so شوعت abzit والله okay Iran says it has attacked dozens of target military centers and air bases in Israel well up tonight ወታደራዊ base and then up tonight military center attack comes ገበረት ኢራን ትሕብራላ ሳ ብዙሕ ዳዘንስ ማለት ከም ዘጥቃዕታት ነገር ዘላ and then شوعت 7 people lightly and mortally injured after the Iranian strike hit on border of Tel Aviv and Syria شوعت ሰባት ከም ተሃረሙ ይገለጽሉ ኣብዚ ዝመተሰብ አይራናን okay then Iran strikes are shaking building in Israel عبيت buildings شكم تقبر كم زلا damage كم رئينا هنا Iran claims to have shut down at least 2 Israeli planes in Iranian airspace okay no injuries reported at this stage okay ማለት I don't know what about إذا علب زلوا كباب كم زرعنا كباب شو عت علي بخم زلر إنا لنا جن so far the is law okay what is it in here جون كزارة بحوات مالي أزمس إقتصادي مسكوت أواصل التأثير أنا طرح ريبورت قبل ذلك أنا نايجاز إني خلت يبلين بعلمي أنا نايجاز إني أيكون كون انتاير واي ماركت دروب كيرو نزبل حتى نحطين نخملس أزي سلزة قاتم طرحيو yeah let me go to market while قال عند حرمتي هنرينا حوات media Palantir it's mostly so as of now انترينا of course ساعات كبابي I know class كمان على class كرشنا له كباب ساعات يا كباب ساعات حدا إذا له حدا ساعات تلفون ماركت نقعد بسنك زيجن تري لهم ماركت is big like down which index is almost up like 1.84% حدا بيسمنا 4% درجة شو منتم 80 point هون دروب يرلو is the industrial index S&P كا 500 سري كامباني almost 1.14% دروب يرن درجة شو منتم 29 قرشي ناسداك it's a big like Nasdaq index كا حدا نت 25 دروب يرو big Russell 2000 small cap حدا نت 7 6 دروب يرو يا VIX فيكس نهلكم almost 17.7% increase كيرو كل شيء عزي فيكس انتاي high volatility مالتي that's what it is مهنيات ازي ان دحر لعل عسرا كيدا اتس ماركت اب ان داون that's damaged يا تسلا عن تبو هاد good news نيرنا about 330 كلتن بس حنيرا اوز نتو مهارنا كمان يكون الشرجرنا يم بكيرفul guys زخونتاتنا ايران اندستري الحما اصله زلو اتوم سوينج تريد تقبرو شيت ام قوص لهم ولا بخساره هاشيت كاتوص ابزي خساره 100 خسر 300 خسر شح خسر امارات يلن مخنياتنا بي كنوتات نابيك مرحنا we don't know yeah Nvidia is dropped 2.31% why Tesla still Tesla green is low مخنياتو نايتي روبوتاكسي بيررس ويك حقتات ازلي قصله زل ترامب راح يصبق نيوز نيرو النيوز سو تسلا هاي مغبرا جن no because of all Iran good day مال drop gear wall Nvidia is down 2.30%. Yeah, Palantir ابيع مخنياتو Palantir mostly like defense stack sorry وتهدراوي military more سلتحز ويون او data سلتحز but like as a military نجر make her happy مالتني Palantir all time high عنده بس حدا نيرا مثلني high today is almost 140 بس حنيرا مالت 52 weeks high درجة مالت بعل Palantir تنحنتي خدا زخلا كامبانيتاتين Okay. Well, mostly is a high growth stack and it come and an index is a come على تزي. Okay, crypto for sure drop قبل crypto أحواتر لهم. Yeah. Well, still okay. 104, 105. Yeah, gold green خون له مخنيات gold هجيت عندي معك أبي ويكا. Yeah, investors نابزي أمز هادمو. بس خونتات ناي geopolitics خونتات عند حرازي حما قاليو investors نابزي أمز عقب أب gold يهون أب silver يهون أب يم invest خود ناب خود. Oil hike خوني نايجدن oil كاسلمتاي as of today look this oil أحوات my goodness oil is almost 8.19% increase oh my goodness this is big because Middle East tension ناتو زغونتات عند حرحما كوينو نايجدن يزي it's a low price خوصغي بسنك oil كا inflation كفت أريخ إليو so another كالا inflation round كن ركب نخيلنا as long as solve تزي كوني زغو دايزي معلتيو so this is how were we at let's go back again Napti Zellana I don't think so Ben I'm not sure it's like buy spy call option for Monday okay I don't take that I wouldn't say that Ben brother I wouldn't say that now you know مخنياتو like انت ايزي قبر ملسي still اسرائيل وين صوت بلاي كتكونين عندك انا ها yeah دحارون اني حقت ملس خلي اسرائيل the weekend is it's rather to be stay out from the market مالت especially توم كمزي yeah trade to go bro daily trade it's not long term it doesn't matter توم ناي short term trade to go bro من حوات it's good to be exit not personal advice it's good to be exit مخنياتو be safe that's all simple So let's back to the news again okay so I like the option I don't do option usually but I like the way it is being but I wouldn't do now so let me go back again what do we have I think so Senior Israel official channel 12 what it says in here sorry guys so مهارنا عبزين دحرا لهم لما عنتي I don't think so class كهلونا we're gonna cancel it class يكرتا I know okay let's find out all right Senior Israel officer like official to channel 12 Iran will pay on like what is that it's like price is it unpayable like big price come to Israel تنقرنا زلا firing on this population center مغنياتو ناول ناب هزبي مأكل fire سلز قبلت إسرائيل like 46 second قدم 4 second سلازي ازي واقع خدكوفلو اللي عادبلنا له so واقعنا إسرائيل انتا يخون of course عنتبو بوستي قبرني ريحوات ولا ازي like Donald Trump حق زالو تبا هيلو بزح صوع مصوع على هنيرو so ناب هزبي ناب public سلاز سددكي ازي بسنكنا public مسدادك تراي ازي عبي واقع خمسة خفلك يبلالو okay انتا ام قبرو خرينا مالتي then مثال okay let me go with this back again okay but according missiles launched from Iran are intercepted as from Tel Aviv Israel okay yeah like Izmahan according to XN Israel officials have confirmed that the USA is assisted whoa guys look this my goodness according to Axiom Israel officials like have confirmed that the USA is assisting with the defense of the Israel against the ballistic missile fired by Iran. Okay, that's good. Malet, it is سدد زلو بإيران نتي يا ممكن. Is that how do you say in تقرينيا كم أين إحنا بلازلنا مثلا ممكن نحن تقول لها ممكن فلتن غالي. So نتي مسائل دمتزلو نتي بلاستيك مسائل دمتزلو ولا يأسون إذا تيال. I know نا UK عن تبغى مبي جبران يرن إبل نيرميم أنا نا يأسون. So يأسون تتحقق على نتي نجا نخمكن مالتيو. أو نمبالي. جن يأسى زخون مسائل ناب إيران كم زي سردت حبيرنا هنا. ترامب أفلت ألوجن نتي ممكن نتي أصوار دمتزلو كم تمكنوا زلا نتي مسائل دمتزلو كاب إيران تمكن كم زلا إسرائيل sorry يأسى تحجز على مالتي. So yes, USA is finally involved. Yeah, was just matter of time. Yeah, well, let's see. Okay, is this Russia? Russia, China, I don't think so. What is the? I مثلا Russia involved بتقبل أبزي كمجونير and then like China. I مثلا let me go my Facebook page. What? أنت بوت post جرانير أنا Yeah, Putin tells Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu that the issues surrounding like Iran's nuclear program must be solved through this diplomacy. Okay, this is good point. But diplomacy good guys among 90 nuclear zolo malit nuclear good guys zolo. Yes, Iran comes to the wallet and to Trump. Great news, absolutely. Trump says Iran officially calling him to discuss the situation. Okay, according to NBC. Yeah, that's good. So why again? It's break now, Maliti. Already Iran Gabramel Gabrala Maliti. So yeah, already ta Gabramel Sitmetzella, danger Zonet Gabramel. All right, let's go back. I think so said Maslin again. I have this this is really bad. I don't know. Like I don't know. Iran's never missile with the Ataliya. No, Iran is one of the danger one. I don't know. Yeah. I have no idea. Explain option trade. All right. Come and join with that, Alison. Why don't you just register with that in the class? We can explain this option classes. Okay. Yeah. One day can say that. So I don't know. أنا سنتا أزقو بروخون أنت تقريني عن الزارب زلخ أنت I don't know أنت أحرة إيش بقى يقرأتها thank you so إيران عندي عزي أخذ كبريا مالت زنبرا مسائل ودي أخذ نبلان إيران أين خلي نحوات زي بالتعني okay significant damage that outside of the high-rise apartment building in Tel Aviv as a result of plastic missile. Look this up. Look. Look this damage Kapnai Abisrael got in لك كم زي عنت بيلدين يمتمال هاريمم إسرائيلوان أب إيرانون بيج زخونة بيلدين مالتي أوكي زي بيج زخونة أبارتمنت كان هلكم لما عنتون تهاري ماله Iran will be pay okay let's go and then another this is one by the way زي كابتا most convenient زي تصبق سورس تمت زرخبنا Habesha education. All right. Emergency units. Oh, okay. What UN type law? United Nations. نسمع يوم قرباهم. Yeah. God damn it. This is all the bullshit. Okay. Heard this.
Existential threat, vowing that the battle would continue for, and I quote, as many days as it takes. End quote. The impact of these attacks has already been felt throughout the region, with neighboring countries closing their airspace and putting their security forces on high alert. The Houthis have reportedly launched missiles toward Israel, one of which has hit the occupied West Bank, causing injuries.
Oh.
Many regional leaders have condemned the attack as a flagrant violation of international law and an escalation that is pushing the region toward more conflict and tension. According to Iran's state media and statements made by Iran's supreme leader today, at least 4 top Iranian generals and 3 leading nuclear scientists were killed. A number of civilians have also been reportedly killed and injured. The supreme leader has promised severe punishment, and I quote, for Israel. Madam President, I reaffirm the Secretary General's condemnation of any military escalation in the Middle East. I also underline the obligation of member states not to use force against the territorial integrity or political independence of any state, and in accordance with the UN Charter and international law. I reiterate the call by the Secretary General to both sides to show maximum restraint at this critical moment and to avoid at all costs a descent into deeper and wider regional conflict. Of particular concern is the strikes on Iran's nuclear facilities. It has been reported that the Natanz enrichment complex, which houses both the fuel enrichment plant and the pilot fuel enrichment plant, suffered significant damage, including centrifuge cascade calls. The International Atomic Energy Agency resolution adopted on 12 June calls on Iran to meet its legal obligations and to fully cooperate with the IAEA to urgently remedy its non-compliance with its safeguards agreement. Finally, the latest dangerous escalation follows some significant diplomatic developments. Talks between Iran and the US were to resume in Oman this weekend. I encourage such diplomatic efforts to continue. A peaceful resolution through negotiations remains the best means to ensure the inclusively peaceful nature of Iran's nuclear program. We must, at all costs, avoid a growing conflagration that would have enormous...
All right. تانت بحزوا أحوات. أنت تانت بنزبل حتى إيران nuclear كهلواية بلدي 4 تانت. So زيا almost نص معلتي خون توهيب وايو. سمم عجرم أو نختبل. مس ترامب مالتي USA. So سوسام عالتي زكايد نبري مبل شادشاي جزية زوريا هجز متسك أدم أب عمر بهالبوتا نخو زنبري سمم بايزوي نسون كانسل كم زخون إلو ما عنت مالتي. So أي جبرتن أي كونن اتسمم داسوا هجي الزقود دايزي كلن يفلتين نتنا نيكلر facility تمالي تهاريبي مالتي كرينا سيرش خن قبرينا تمالي بتعمل دامج مجرم منعه هجي السيت ما بقسي أحوات تقدم ما بقسي إيران نيكلر كهلواي بلون أوكي نيكلر ندحر حليوا إيران كم زي مسائل تسد زلات ريوز لهم نيكلر جرح سديات مالي ناتانهنكم ابنيرو نيكلر جرح سديات تدفع لأن تخوابي ده عينتي أوكي السو أجي نتي نيكلر بروجرام تمالي بزح أو كم تتصاوتون أنن بزحات حلفتي لم يقول my Facebook بزحات خون حلفت خا كم زي قتلوني حبيرة انتاي نسبة الحتى أبزي بوست جريني على فيسبوك عن تبرلك أحوات يس لا يوم زيوم حادك ساب عسرت زخون زيادة عسرت يخونو like major general دخونا administration دلو and major general سعيد أحمد like منتاي whatever it is so ساب عسرت يخونو مرحتي نايتي nuclear scientist almost شدشته حزنتها شدشته خون نايتي nuclear program تقبر scientist خا شدشته سبات كم تقتل جرا زيهم بالتعمي تمالي رأيوه لك زي confirm كم تقتلوا مالي عسرته يقرأتها شدشته قبل كله خون nuclear program ترحم شدشته confirm جرانيرا ويقول شدشته زبل post جرانيرا يا زيهم بمولو من اللهم تمالي ما يتم زحبر زلي like أزو كله مالتي so كبابي عسرت يخون مرحتي تشيف يخون ولا جنرال يخون تمال قد ازيم ام unconfirmed مالت ازيم جنا ريبورت ستات سابي كم زلو زي ترخو بيام so ازيم بتعمي تارجت جرات مالي عندنا نابتي نيكلر فاسيليتي اندحر كدنا اوكي I think so بير انير دامج كم زغبرو زري صنحني I have one of the plastic missiles impact in Tel Aviv. Okay, نبنا احتمال إن حركينا حوات مش showy this. Okay. Okay, مش شرط you. Like كباب عصرت يخونوا زياتهم. Like تقاتلهم زلوا بنا احتمال مالتي. Okay. It's ناي نهلكم زناي Nathan, or how do you say that? Okay. Nathan's nuclear facility أبناي central Iran كأتمالي توقع زي مالتي. استمر تقول لهم damage comes هون يمزح برزلو. Most probably فرق خوني كله ربع خوني كله. أبزي إتي nuclear facility بك nuclear كامل دي سرح ليه. Maybe nuclear أبزي next month كتحس غل next year كتحس غل أب كربا خم تحزيتي كأندي target خون زلنا إيران مالتي. Yeah. The plastic missile is fired early by this Iran backed Egypt plastic missile Zinabari. Nuclear facility look this what the Palestinian residents are reporting that an impact in Western Bank to big damage. Okay. Let me do this. Look, the Israel Defense Force has released the graphic showing that Kamil comes I want the look this now tonight military level the law place you Nathan nuclear site Nathan Rian okay. Multiple strikes report against city of the Canada Zizu على دحريو. What is this? No question. By Israel of Iranian attack. Yep. General Ismail, commander of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Group, has reportedly been eliminated. Okay, isn't I Islamic groups هنا حدا general ka? Yes, أنت ورينا أنا حدا خافتهم أداتي مدلل. Look this, breaking. Yeah, missile has been. This is my map. I just want to see photo. Okay. Whoa. Israel airstrikes today against surface missile and launched at the base in Iran. Look this حوار نزيع surface. That's a staff. My goodness. All right. In a letter of earlier, United Nations Iran Foreign Minister said, okay, one of them is declaration of war by Israel agents. Here you go. Okay, satellite image today of the look this one. Natan's nuclear facility is here. Look that facility. Look this one. Look the nuclear facility. Right was there. نزيعة كم زعنوت توم زرعهم كباب 10 يخونوا أمريحنا زنبور جنرال يخونوا تشيف يخونوا 5 تقتلوا بلاس قالوا ان unknown confirm زي كونه ازتروا لهم أبزنه لكم فاير أبزنه لكم more again more Iranian missile are headed بلالو بزيون قالوا كمبيوتر علني قالوا المسائلون كاب إيراني مسألة حوات again كنا متسينا بتلع علي لك الزيئة Google Map. نتازر عنايا no أبدأ كوريا أزياء مالتين هلكم أزياء damage comes جبروا أمز حبر زلو alright how do you just come on give me larger my computer is doing something not right refresh Okay. Look this أحوات إذا كله إذا بمول إذا damage مالت كله أنت زي كونه almost كالا كفالو damage كم زجبر وتمعلم يحبرو زلوا مالتي أنت حب أفنى يتم عسرت يخون زر أنا يم إذا أدري أخما لهم تدري أخما سئلي السازية. Okay, this is big. Yeah, this imagine circulating that China's social media revealed the damage at Iran's commercial underground facility targeted during Israel operations. Russian land like oh cow. Call it facilities underground facility right was بمول نهلكم إزاي تأصيله زلوا China عنده وصوم عليه. Okay, إزاي أنا رام عليه was probably okay كم يكون على رأيوه. God damn it. Okay, Iran ሳልሳይ ዌቭስ ወይ ከዓ ሳልሳይ ሚሳይል ትሰድድ ኣላ ኣሕዋት ኢራን ሳልሳይ ሚሳይል ትሰድድ ኣላ ኣይነ ክሪእና ረኣይዎ ኣበይ ኮይኑ ኣሎ ከመይ ኢሉ ዳሜጅ and then look this all damages ትማሊ ዝገበርዎ ማለት እዩ ዋላ ትራምፕ ዓንተ በይሊ ሄይ ኣማራፂ የብሎምን ሕጂ ኢራን ሕራይ ክብሉ ጥራሕ ኢሉ I don't know ማለት I don't know. This is I don't know. I know politics. I'm not the guy with the politics. I'm glad I'm like in finance and then some economy. So زي كل نري زلنا تدامج ما أنا أتصي هي جحراي كتب لي أخي فتوى تهاري ما قبل نيرو عن تباقن I don't see that مليسا مسائل تسدد الله. Okay. Nuclear war is only the minute away. Well, nuclear war is only the minute away. ማለት nuclear war እንድሕር ኣጋጢሙ እቲ ድምፂ ረኣይዎ ኣሕዋት እቲ ድምፂ ናይቲ መሳል ናይቲ ፕላስቲክ መሳልስ how looks plastic መሳል plastic missiles image እንታይ ዝመስል okay I don't know ይቅረታ I'm not familiar with this ኣፅዋር أنا search Google እስኪ ክንሪኦ ኢና ቅረታ ኣይተሓዝለይ እንታይ ዓይነት መሳይል ምስሰዱ ዘለው Iran using ክንብላ ኢና ድሓን እንታይ ዓይነት መሳይል ኣጥቀም ዘላ oh my goodness this things I don't know which one is this Iran says it has successfully tested probably እዚ ዓይነት መሳይላት ሰዲ ዘላ ማለት look ኣሕዋት god damn it ነዚ ዘምክንዎ ዘለው my goodness wow okay can we have this in back home can we have this can we have this well I'm sorry I don't think so there because they get back and again I was like kind of why in his be I don't know how تم عسرت بحدا like معات like drones and missiles and aircraft سلسلة إسرائيل بتتفعل عليه بوتا أمنيرهم بحساب زي كانوا بروحوا اليوم إيكا جبر على سمر أب إيكا جبر تاني حمش الجهة بقى now I know تا إنترنتي سامع ك سد له نسكن خير نابت السد وزلو is this easy what is the cost okay plastic missiles using Iran cost let's get that cost it's just depend on average well between 3 million to 10 million okay an average cap 3 million كساب 10 million حنت مثال مالتي oh my goodness this is expensive guys oh holy shit wow oh whoa قال billion of 150 million okay 15 lines قال that's a lot of money Wow, my goodness, between 7 million to 10 million. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, let's go to Sedwazalo. Yeah, Fox News እንታይ ኮይኑ ኣብን ኮነ ዓይ ኣብዚ Oh, wow. Okay, let's go to our home X. Yeah, ገና ፍርቂ ሰዓት ተርፎ ማርኬት ክሎዝ ንክገብር ኣሕዋት still nothing. Let's go back update Sedlo the hijis third wave. Bloomberg, Bloomberg, what it says, Iran stated that TV reporters, third wave, yeah, Salisai wave missile launched toward Israel. Salisai wave, I don't know, Abhanti wave, Abhanti Sumdo and they hate day. Look, this Salisai came to Sedizella, toward Israel, comes a limits Allah Jumality. A typical explosion here in Israel, Jerusalem return, right? There is okay. Iran attacks on central Israel. It's coming, ABC, okay. Israel, yeah. Bloomberg is one of it's good. Bloomberg بتعمل good source يوم they يحسوا مالتي. اسمه بس easy. I know yeah. Okay. Alright. Let's go this one. Oh, so far the Megan David Adams says that they have transported 17 people to hospital for virus injury. 17 ሰባት ይኾኑ ሰፋር እጂ ዝኾነ ብዝተፈላለየ ተጎዲ ማለት ዝሞተ የለን ግን እሽተይ መጉዳእቲ ከም ዘለዎም ጥራሕዮም ናብ ሆስፒታል ከም ዝኸዱ ዝሕብር ዘሎ 17 ሰፋር በፂሖም ኣለዉ The closest and clearest for that we have foreign for the يعني أحوات كم زرعنا يجي عبي أزي عبيو زي عن تبزرعنا بالدنيا 90 minutes ago تمثال عملت بلاستيك مثال أزي عبي كم زرعهم okay let's go كان ريناسكي let me go with this still تم yeah council meeting comes along and زحبرو زلو okay no hope I hope ናብ ማርኬት ንእሽተይ ምለስ ሕዋት ኣይነውቲ መሳል መጻእ ኣሎ ኣበይ ከዓልቢ ኣምላኽ ህፃ ግበሮ ካልእ ንብሎ ነገር የብልና ንሕና ኦኬ ከምወይ ዝበልና oil is above ትሪኦ ዘለኹም 8.26% above ገይሩሎ like crypto again crypto is it's about 105 yeah 104 ማለት በፂሕ ነይሩ ስምባደ ግን ህጂን ኣዳፕት ገይሮ መስለኒ yeah S&P oh wow down is 830 points down ገይሩሎ industrial index ማለት እዩ S&P 1.23% as of now big drop almost all time high በፂሕና ነርና S&P ማለት Nasdaq 1.38 down and then Russell 2K 1.67 yeah VIX ልዕሊ 20 bad this bad እዚ volatility ናይ ዚኣ ልዕሊ 20 bad لك أحوات عبز حلفة بسنكناي ترامب تعرف كجبر كله أبي بتحني راح حمسان كلتن حمسان سلسلة بتحنا بما تنصب على نهجين كابز قلنا 10 شعاتين يعني نرنا تصبوا إن نرنا هجين لما عندي 19.53% increase جيروبيكس yeah that's why Monday not good كوني خلي yeah Tesla 126 down كت كيري بلان سلسلة 20 sorry 1 ديله سلسلة 20 شدشن and above close እንደርገና ጽቡቕ ተስላ ምክንያቱ እቲና good news ሆነ ናይ ሮቦ ታክሲ ስለ ዝረኸብና ይኻላ ኣይኮነ እቲ ሬጉሌሽን ወይ እቲ ሕጊ ሉዝ ከም ዝገበሮ ያም ነግሮምና እቲ ቤረርስ ነበረ so ልዕሊ 326 ክለስ ገብሮ 326 ነጥቢ 43 سنتيم تجاجي that is النساء مثلا تا big resistance زلا هجي بዛ ساعات زيا كابزي كابون تحت نتورينا قص 318 ايزي خنري انا خلينا مالي 318 يا انفيديا 140 حرنت ب 57 يا كاب ستات زي حالي في انفيديا ونصبو كاب 140 تحت تكون بلان يا بالانتير it's good هنياتو ناي مز قلولاون بعلى طقامي ناتا اي مالتي اوكي اوكي كال ماركت ترينا نملسناو اوكي ايران and Israel attack حدش نقر latest انتلينا نا 15 minute مريت عواف دا اخبار النيرون برزد عنة سالساي جزي لا سالساي جزي ابي وعدي
Oh my God. Filot.
كبرو معرفيني I'm happy to exit Kabzi channels here and thank you
Filot.
what's Kabzi حال just exit والله ما يعرف معايا what none of this in the hair let me say it a little bit
Oh my God. Filot.
أبزي ندحر نعاكم زي ما معكم كوينو زي channel it's easy to exit I'm not the guy comes on subscribe borley زي borley يكون I'm the guy in finance and economy السي أزمهر نوعي أخاني وسجبر مالتي سنع أخي ملكتها كان simple exit don't be like stupid in here alright please yeah you gotta answer نقول لكم بتس معكم من أهم لسالكم مثلني don't get that yeah thank you you better out from this unsubscribe while I'm boom default on unsubscribes here thank you so much okay let's go back okay I'm head to you from this channel and then even ban it and delete for use here that's damn stupid lack of power. Israel Defense Force has denied claims made earlier by several Iranian state-run media outlets. The two fighters jets were Israel Air Force and okay. So أحوات ولا حنت حدش نجر يلن as of now. يا تاسال ساي سدوا خمس اللو لنا. Yeah. أبز قرب كنس.
These actions are not only unprovoked and unjustifiable, they constitute a flagrant violation of international law, a violation of the Charter of the United Nations. As clearly articulated in Article 2, Paragraph 4 of the Charter, all members shall refrain in their international relations from the threat of or use of force against the territorial integrity or political independence of any state, or in any other manner and consistent with the purposes of the United Nations. The logic of unilateral force, of so-called preemptive strikes outside any legal mandate
I don't know انت عانت
cannot
هجي بزح
be normalized
صغيتهم كزارو
and cannot be tolerated
نخبل
within
ግን معرخ ندي ام كخدو يتحتو معرخ ندي نزك خدو خلو تطو كبلو خلو يا أملاك إسرائيل حلو ناتي ويكند مالت تنبلو نجار نص ترحي امبر أزيو حدا جنيا إزمة زلوا يا نابو خنبلوكم نابتي تويترز That's from either an intercepted or inherent blasting cells fell earlier in Tel Aviv, causing a minor damage and no injuries. Well, injured eye pressure again, minor stage one damage factor. I think so. زي كله رأينا أنا حوات من البعض حدش نجر انتلو اوكي بلومبرج كنكايد من البعض CNN Live أبزي حدش نقدر ترينا explosion here in Tel Aviv as Iran launched and counterattacks. Okay. Also, yeah, oil surge بالت oil واقع خمس وسخة إيو. since mid gain since cap كلتش عن قدم كلتش عن 20 كلتان. ترى إذا فلت big price coin low oil كم زعان تبزر أنا يمالي تحوات ريخم أخم. دارجا شومن تنت ب 26% increase غير مهنياتو. All this because of nice tension زي كلا icon. Oh wow, which as resident of Tehran celebrates Iranian retailer strikes. it's real never to Tehran Iran سقطة ما تم never تهزبسي بزعب celebrate قبل لو نزي بمقبارة. حوات I don't know مالت إزي بخمة إخرى إزي كحجوس هالو مالتي ولا سكي let's say إسرائيل ولا خم أنت جبرت أب حزبي أب قال أزيد كحقو سالودي I don't think so what they are doing probably come to مجمع يزولكم I'm not politically ስለዚህ ኮንኩ ኾን ይኽእለ ግን እዚ ብዓይኒ ፖለቲካሊ ክርአ ዘሎ በቃ ክትሕጎስ ትኽእል ዘለካ እንታይ ኢኻ ክትገብር እዚ ዳ ፀሎት ዘድልዮ ኮይኑ ይስማዓኒ ኣረን okay I'm very poor at politician እዚኦም like ኢራናውያን ኣብ ርእሲ ከተማ ናይ ኢራን ተርሃን እቲ ናብ ግብረ መልሲ ምስ ገበረት ኢራን ናብ እስራኤል ምስ ሃረመት ዝሕጎሱ ኣለዉ እዞም ህዝቢ እዚኣቶም look this Yeah, I don't know what to say. This is really bad. Yeah, USF Force helping. Yeah, come with well nine. USF Force comes حجزو نتي نممكن نتي plastic مسالس حجز comes جبرو yes حبيرو مالو. So Nathan no more is on the way. Oh my God! أحوات look this no more on the way. No. Cancel it. Okay. No more on the way. The regime doesn't know what hit them. Okay. It's another big. بتعمل أزي خبير. بق أنا كرمي تشعة مني تزارب زلوا بق أزخانة سبق كرمي أنا هولي يقولون تي the region is like مالتي انتايكم زغورون انتايكم زبولس حتصير شنقبرو قبر ملسسي أزي بعد مخانيم زقل زلوا. So Iranian people directly in the video release it. Oh yeah. Iranian people directly the video released it Friday night. Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu እንታይሉ so ነዚህ ቪዲዮዚ ምስዳዶም ጥራሕ ያ እንታይ ከም ዝመጽ ከም ዘሎሲ I don't know ይፈልጡ ያለውን ብላሎ so what will hit them እንታይ ዓይነት hit ከም ዝገብሮም it has never been weaker oh my goodness this is strong ሕዋት so እዚ ከምዚ ምግባሮም እዚ ማለት ምሕጓሶም ሲ ኣዝዩ በቃ ንዕኡ ከም ተቆጥዖን እንታይ ከም ዝመጽን እንታይ ከም ዝሃርሞምን ጠቅላላ ዝርድዎ ኮይኖም ኣይስማዓንን እዚ ዓይነት ይዛረብ ዘሎ so yeah very bad ዝኾነ ግብረ መልሲ ክህሉ እዩ ማለት እዩ then it's we are inch away ካብ nuclear ነገራት ማለት እዩ alright so Israel faces dark night ahead ቀድመና ኣሎ ጸልማት say senior Israeli officials who claims several Israeli aircraft downed okay I don't know ማለት ኣሕዋት እዚ ክብድ ዝበለ እዩ ንሪኦ ከለና እቲ ግብረ መልሲ እውን ኣዝዩ ክብድ ዝበለ እዩ ክኸውን ዝኽእል I need that market a little bit up and we can exit 25 326 come on give me some break yeah ኣምላኽ ባዕሉ ምሕረት የውርድ I know yes true ኣብ እስራኤል right ጥዑማይ ዘርስ ኣብ እስራኤል ጽቡቕ ኣሎ ክሳብ ሕጂ ያ ገና ማለት ከባቢ 17 ሰባት ከም ተሃሮም እዩ ዝገልጽ ዘሎ ክሳብ ሕጂ ግን እቲ ዝመጽእ ዘሎ for that Trump and Netanyahu spoke Trump and Netanyahu ሕጂ ተዘራሪቦም እብላሎ ብዚ okay that would confirm Trump and Netanyahu ሕጂ ከም ተዘራረቡ ይገልጽ ኣሎ يب نشتي قرب عقلي خدهم حوات فاكس نيوز. يب حدش وش لايف. There you go. Yeah, تنببوت هلو تخونوهم. Yes, this is هجوات أزلا. Israel cabinet discussing response to Iranian missile attack, or like official tell CNN. So discuss gerom cabinet مالتو نجبر ملسي نخجبري محوات response to Iranian missile, like جبر ملسي نخجبرو discuss gerom allo. Then the Israel cabinet is currently in a meeting to discuss a response to Iran missiles attack on Israel on Friday night, and then Israel officials أخيبا خمزلو حبرنا له that Israel will be escalated further in the next wave of attacks against Iran in the official side. Well, ما أسم كصدقن كرينا معلش explosion here that in Tel Aviv أبدخل سمعنا لنا. So yeah. Oh yes, and other countries help to intercept Iranian missiles. Who's many other countries بزي كاي اسمنا United States حجزا other countries region to support Israel defense similar ways many أنا April. Okay, who many who like UK, France, most probably سنين خنا زخلا. Yeah, أب قبل ملسين كايدو أب أخيبا خمزلو إزقل زلو حوات. I know ناتشان هن زارو على بزي اسكي ኣብዚ ላይ ፈም ጽመደም ጽወን ከብሬና ኦኬ ያ there we go. Let's do ንሄ ድምፂ ያለው ንዓይ ሰምዕኒ ዘለኹም ወአቡ ድምፂ ያ ክትረኽቡንኹም ስማዕ ኣለኹ እንዴ እስኪ UK yeah probably UK. Yep, okay. For sure UK and France ማለት በሓፂሩ. So I know okay. ስለዚህ ያ ኣብ ሚቲንግ ከም ዘለው እሕበራለሁ ንህለኹም ክሎም እቲኣቶም እውን ማለት እንታይ እዮም ዝገብሩ ዘለው the prime minister of the Iraq. Iran, Mohammed said Sudan is currently holding an emergency meeting with all the Iranian backed parliamentary, and then oh my goodness, this is Iraq أحوات. Iraq danger. Oh my goodness. All right. Bad. Okay, very bad. Well, still Iraq when I don't know involved with Gabriel Gabrin, we'll see what happened. But Iraq meeting comes along. Iran media is borrowing from the Russian military exercise last year. No, this is not. Epic launch of the Kalbira missile in the Black Sea. Last year. All right.
To you, the proud people of Iran. Tonight.
So, حزوازيا Iraq cabinet meeting غير خمس الله USA غيرهم danger حرقنا معلش.
I wish to speak to you, the proud people of Iran. We're in the midst of one of the greatest military operations in history, Operation Rising Lion. The Islamic regime, which has oppressed you for nearly 50 years, threatens to destroy my country, the State of Israel. The objective of Israel's military operation is to remove this threat, both the nuclear threat and the ballistic missile threat to Israel. And as we achieve our objectives, we're also clearing the path for you to achieve your objective, which is freedom. In the past 24 hours, we've taken out top military commanders, senior nuclear scientists, the Islamic regime's most significant enrichment facility, and a large portion of its ballistic missile arsenal. More is on the way. The regime doesn't know what hit them. They don't know what will hit them. The nation of Iran and the nation of Israel have been true friends since the days of Cyrus the Great. And the time has come for you to unite around your flag and your historic legacy by standing up for your freedom from an evil and oppressive regime. It has never been weaker. This is your opportunity to stand up and let your voices be heard. Woman, life, freedom. Zan, Zandegi, Azadi. As I said yesterday and many times before, Israel's fight is not with you. It's not with you, the brave people of Iran whom we respect and admire. Our fight is with our common enemy, a murderous regime that both oppresses you and impoverishes you. Brave people of Iran, your light will defeat the darkness. I'm with you. The people of Israel are with you.
Well, it's ብጣዕሚ ንፅርቲ እያ ከምዛ ዝረኣኹማሲ መልሓንቲ ሕማቕ ኣይተዛረበና ብዚ of course it's good ያ ነቲ ህዝቢ እውን ብዙሕ ነገር ይመፅእ ከም ዘሎ እዩ ዝሕብር ዘሎ ብዙሕ ያ ሳልሳይ ዌቭ ከም ዝሰዱ ከም ዘለዎ እዮም I don't see bad ኣብዚኣ ሕማቕ ዝሰማዕ እኳ የብለን ያ then Iraq is bad yeah this is dangerous right ንሶም ኣብ ኣመፅም ሁላ market is about to close ኣብ ምዕፃዊ ዳርጋ almost 3 ደቂቕ ተርፈሉ ኣሕዋት ያ እሽተይ ክንርኢ ንኽእል ኢና ናብኡ ላይፍ okay let me see this okay okay yeah እስራኤላውያን ኣብ ሚቲንግ ከም ዘለው okay anyway ኣብ ሓደ ልጉስ ቦታ ወይ ከዓ ሕቡእ ቦታ ተሓቢኦም ኣኼባ ገብሩ ከም ዘሎ እዩ ዝገልጽ ዘሎ ከመይ ገይሮም ሪስፖንድ ክገብሩ ማለት እዩ ብሓፂሩ tonight against population centrals ብሓፂሩ ኣብቲ ናይ ማእከል ህዝቢ ስለ ዘዕለብዎ በቃ ኣብኡ ስለ ዘዕለብዎ እዚ ፕላስቲክ ሚሳይልስ ንዕኡ ክንምልስ ኣለና እቲ ቀንዲ ኦኬ ሓድሽ ነገር ተልዩ ክንሪኦ ኢና ኣሕዋት እዚኦም ኢራቅ እምዚኦም ዘሪእና ኢና ዓንተበ see market sometimes need to exit from the market yeah that's let that go okay yeah ሓደ ደቂቕ ተርፎ ማርኬት ንክዕፆ I hope like Tesla need to close above 326 but if not it'll be okay Nvidia ولا حتى move አይገበረት 141.78 up and down ኣብ ኣላ ነቂፃ Palantir 137.40 like ኣብ ኣላ ነቂፃ okay in general Tesla is still down and then yes so yeah down is قرب كابتي شو 830 بوينت ناب 779 بوينت قرب دحان كوين الله S&P غا خاب 70 شو ناب دحان قربنا 1.14 وريد الله and Nasdaq now 1.30 and Russell 1.99 VIX is hard still زيادها the worst مالتي okay market is closed now ساعات كل تخوينو market عازي له so بزي عازينا مالتي but not good but مهنياتو كل ريناينا yeah Bitcoin كوا ران سلز قبر تجمع يكونن yeah gold 1.49 up and then silver 0.08% up مالتي yeah economic calendar next week انت خوني خلي انت اوف نايز زلنا قلت امتم قال انت خقاطمنا خلي احمد this week مالتي بحصير next week Monday ولا حنتي نقري بالنان ماي اوكي تبع الله لايف الله سني ولا حنتي نصبي نقري لان ان سولس يس ريتيل سيلز كنرينا احوات نيجاتيف 0.6% بلنا له كندين نركب زي most important Tuesday بزي انا ران قبر ماركت وي بحفشها زخنه ازيك اخر رينا نحر ترغاغيون نايز كنت هزي تقند مالتي زيازه لهنا ابسوني كرياز قبانا الربع بيلدين بيرميت لهنا اوكي او يا ربع فدرال اسكمتيم او بيج داي ربع طاي يا ربع سيا فدرالس ولد قرص اليوم وي كاريت قرص اليوم نزبل حتى اي مسلنن قرصو ግን ربيعم كمص مز كل خناتات ولا حنت لكم 96.9% ريت كات كم زي اللي مزحبرنا زلو 4.26 we got 4.25 to 4.50 so ربيعم كمص ولا حنت يلن ما أصد أنا زبل حتى جولاي كمان ريت كات ولا حنت ملكت يبلنا oil high كوين الحوات already inflation في التاريخ اللي ولا مسكرم على 28.8% مسكرم ريت كات كم زل إذا حبر زلوا سلازي زمت ربع متيام يا FOMC meeting ويكا interest rate decision قبريهم ولا لا يقرطني من نجرون باول كزاربي ولا حنت أيك قبريني especially زناي جمت إنك كساب زلوا مالتي حمص ولا حنت يلن عربي نابيك next week بك ربع ترحات لها نابيك ربع دا solution مالتي so as of market بخمت عاتيو yeah that's how it is تقبر نجار يكونن كم زرعنا كله market ولا European is red and then Asian ولا تريهم كلهم red yeah USA red مو market red كوني because of all this yeah VIX by the way a little down كنا لكم about 20.99 let's see 10 طبعا شو 10% increase جرا مالت at least كرب كيف جروا له مالت اللي نشتري تمريس له واو ولا تسلا نري أخلنا كمان يجي after market مستعصوه يجي قرب تخيل على نبتز حسبنا 326.60 again as of لما عندي 1.96 today راح كلوز جرا I wish بزي أكلس كتكبر مو maybe farther كنري أنا خلنا so Sony حبريتها ناي إزي خونتا زين حرتراجيو we can see Tesla على 330 قال مالتي and so does Nvidia after market by the way تبالو is there any news hold on is there any news نتايدا قال نجر دليس نحن نسك after market سي let me go this is there any news why market after market سي تبقى كيف جيرنو USA posts a guidance for reporting the items under the aluminum tariffs. Oh, okay. This news. USA posts a guide for reporting items under the aluminum tariff. Okay, this news and then Iranian official tells the Far News Tehran will be immediately targeted Israel's economic and energy infrastructure if Iran own is hit. Bad. So 90 aluminum tariff report items guide كوبناهم USA post جرام الله مالي تعرفون أنت عينت post يجيبنا نحرين خلنا جن زي كيف جراتها مثلاً إذا نيس زي كيف جرات تطلع after market تاريخ من كلن up كيرنا هنا تسلا is up almost 0.33% Nvidia is up 0.05% and then Palantir always connection مستخال سلزلوا that's why is VIX went down كينا زلنا up 21.09 that little piece of news here لو يتعطى بزح حيك خونني مالتي okay good let's see back okay and تعال خل I'll find out زي أخن قبرين حوات وانت عانت قايدة هيبات تزلنتنا ألمنيوم تاريف كن رئينا الحرب قصالي اسكي Bloomberg what they did يا سالس هيوقف كم زلنا قلنا زلو اوكي وال احوات ناتين ولا حنت حدش ነገር የለን ማርኬቱን ተዓፂ ሳልሳይ ክፋል ይሰድለው I think so abዚ አሁን ወዳን احناውን መስለን oh breaking news what we have summer up okay then the USA is assisting Israel in sharing down yeah እዚ አንተ በሪና ያና ተኸክል thank you AMD that's a good question. Yeah, very true. AMD, yeah, it's up. After market musta'atwe, little up. But that piece of news 90 aluminum tariff not a piece of news, like after hours 0.28, 20 something up. As of Lomati, minus negative 0.196, the same like Nvidia 2.10 actually, sorry. So yeah, AMD that night tariff ዝብልና ዝኾነ guide post ገይሮም ኣለዉ እንታይ እቲ guide ክንንብቦ ኢና ቀሲልና ማለት ኣብ ቀጻለስና emergency ኮነ yeah looks good everything okay nothing we can say ኣምላኽ ባዕሉ ምሕረት የውርደልና እዚ ወሪድና ዘሎ ቀሊል ኣይኮነን ኣሕዋት ከምዚ ብኢዚ ዝኸይድ ኣይኮነን ክመርሕ ይኽእል ናብ ካልእ ሕማቕ ነገር ክኸይድ ይኽእል ይኽእል thank you ሓበሻ ምጽናሕኩም ክሳብ ሕጂ ይቐኒልና ኩልሻ ሓበሻ ኤዱኬሽን ምስ ቁጠባት ተኣሰር ክሳብ ዝኾነ ኢና ነምጽ እምበር ንሕና ኣብዚ ናይዚ ፖለቲካሊ ክእለት ኣሊና ወይ ከዓ ልምዲ ኣሊና ወይ እውን ሃቢት ናትዩ ኣሊና ይኮንና ነምጽእ ከም ኒውስ ጌርኩም ኣይትረኣይዎ like some እጁን ንሕና ንህቦ ንምህሮ እንድሕር ደስ ኢልኩም ምሳና ክትመሃሩ we are happy እንተዘይ ተሓጒስኩም ደስ ተይብልኩም you guys get a big kick out yourself exit I have no tension abዚ ንዓይ subscribe ነቲ ሓደ ንሓበሻ education we have good enough ተምሃር ኣለውና we are happy ምስቶም ዘለውና ሕጉስና ተሓጒስና ክንከይድ ንኽእል ኢና so news ኢልና ብኻልእ ክትርእይዎ ኣይንደልን ብውግእ ኩናት ህዝቢ እያ agree yeah thank you yeah all right thank you yeah ሳልሰይቲ ዌቭ ክትህልያ ኩሉ ሻዕ እንታይ ተኸታተሉ ኣብዚ ከለኹም ክነግረኩም ሓበሻ education ኣሕዋት ኣብቲ ፌስቡክ ኣብኡ ፖስት ንገብርና ንሕና every single day ማለት every single day ንጥብጣብ ማለት ክብል ከለኹ very important ነጥብታት እንዳ ፖስት ኢና ንገብር ስለዚ ኣብ ሓበሻ ኤዱኬሽን ኣብዚ ክትርእይዎን ላይክ ንላቦ ከምዚ ብቀይሕ ብጸሊም ገለ እንዳገበርና ፖስት ንገብርና ሓደ ሓደ ነጥብታት so ነዚ ክትርእይዎ ንላቦ ኣብቲ ፌስቡክ ዘየለኹም ኣብ ፌስቡክ ፎሎ ግበሩና ሓበሻ ኤዱኬሽን ደስ በለችስፎም ኣብዚ ፎሎ ግበርዎ ማለት ክትፈልጡ ብዛዕባ ዝተለኹም እዚ ኤዱኬሽናል ምስ ኢኮኖሚ and finance ተኣሰር nothing with about politics ኣሕዋት we have no tension ብዛዕባ politics ንሕና መን ትስዕር መን ትዕወት ኣይኮነን who cares ሲኮነን ተገድሰና ንሕና ምዚ ቶም መን ትስዕር መን ትዕወት ቶም ኣናላይዝ ዝገብሮ ቶም ኢኮኖሚስት ክንገድፈሎም ንሕና ከዓ በቲ ንሕና ፊልድ ተማሃርናየን ፕራክቲካል ዝገበርናየን ዝረባሕናሉ ንሕብረተሰብና ክንምህር ኢና ወፂና ዘለና ብዛዕባ እዚ እንድሕር ሕተልኩም ክትሓቱ ትኽእልኹም መፂኹም ምሳና ክትመሃሩ ትኽእልኹም ኪንኡ ኣብ ዘየድሊ እንድሕር ኮመንት ፅሒፍኩም comes in no question nahna geared out exit right away thank you guys right thank you yeah Facebook post geral kallo مثلا DC90 please okay as a whole post gebar ka masil ጽንሐኒስ ይቅረታ guys okay here you go Facebook ደስ በለ ተስፋም ኣብዚልኩም follow እንድሕር ጌርኩም እዚ ኩሉ ሻዕ ንጽሒፍና ከምዚ እንዳገበና ላይዎ ኣሕዋት Putin እንታይ ገሩ አንተ like Trump ታይሉ and yeah primary minister ነታንሁ ታይሉ ኢራን ታይላ ገለምለ በኸምዝ እንዳገበራን ሰደይና ማለት እዩ short ገርና thank you ይቀንደልና ኣብ ካልኣይ ግዜ ኣብ ካለ መዓልቲ ይረኽበና ብሰላም ይረኽበና hope ሰላም ክኾንልና ጸሎት ንግበር thank you so much bye bye